Hello friends, welcome to another session of practice. Let's take few more important questions. The angle of elevation of a ladder against a wall is 60 degree and the foot of the ladder is 9.5 meter away from the wall. Find the length of the ladder. अब सबसे पहली बात जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, you must understand the language properly and should be able to draw the correct picture of the scene. Now, angle of elevation of ladder against a wall. That means there is a wall and there is a ladder. This is ladder, this is wall, and this is the foot of the ladder. Now he says the angle of elevation of ladder against the wall. Elevation means from the down he is watching. This is 60 degree and the foot of the ladder. This is the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter away. 9.5 meter away. You have to find the length of the ladder, not the height of the wall. Usually height and distance. But in this question, you have to find the length of the ladder. Say L. Now, this is the angle given. This is the side given. This is the side we have to find out. So, adjacent and hypotenuse. This is 90 degree and this is very much a right angle triangle. So, adjacent and hypotenuse means we have to consider cos 60 degree is adjacent side, that is 9.5 on L, and that's the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 is 9.5 on L. That implies that L is equal to 9.5 into 2, which is 19 meters, is our final answer. Now see, the questions are not very difficult. The only part is sometimes the language of the question may be confusing and the students are not able to draw correct picture of the question. Let us consider another question. An electric pole is 10 meter high. A steel wire tied to top of the pole is affixed at a point on the ground to keep the pole upright. if the wire makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal find the length of the wire. Now see, this question is also very much similar to the previous question. Now see here what he says, there is a pole fixed on the ground with a steel wire. This is wire, and the electric pole height is 10 meter. You have to find the length of the wire, and the angle it makes is 45. Now again, here you have a opposite side and the hypotenuse. So here the ratio you have to consider is sine. So in this case, sine of 45 degrees is equal to 10 upon L, and sine 45 is 1 over root 2 10 upon L, which implies that L is equal to 10 times of root 2 meters. This is our final answer. If you are given the value of root 2, you can put that and solve it further. Else you can leave your answer as it is. Let us see one more question quickly. The length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 90 meter. If the string makes an angle of theta with the ground, such that tan theta is 15 on 8, how high is the kite from the ground? Assume that there is no slack in the string. अब ये भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और कई बार इस तरह के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं. Now see, let us first draw a picture of this question. There is a kite, means this is the kite flying, this is the ground, and this is the string. Length is given 90 meter, height is asked, and this angle is theta. it is given that tan theta is 15 on 8. Now we know tan theta is perpendicular upon the base. So indirectly h on x is 15 upon 8 is given. Now we know that we know that h square plus x square is 90 square. From here we have x as 8h by 15, cross multiplying and eliminating x. Now in place of x put this h square plus 8h by 15 square 90 square. Now solving, you will get 1 plus 8 by 15 square times h square is 90 square. This is 15 square plus 8 square upon 15 square. H square is 90 square, or h square is 90 square into 15 square upon 15 square plus 8 square, or h equals to under root of 90 square into 15 square upon 15 square plus 8 square, which is 90 into 15 upon 18, 17. This is the final answer, that is 1350 on 17, which is 79 on 41 meters. Thank you very much, and we shall continue in next session with few more interesting questions. Have a nice day.